In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Sendwave account. By the end, you'll have the app installed, your account created, a payment method added, and a recipient ready so you can send money with confidence. I'll walk you through each step and share a few tips to keep everything smooth and secure. Start by downloading the Sendwave app from your device's official app store. Make sure you're getting the legitimate app by checking the publisher and reviews. Update your device software if needed, and connect to a stable internet connection so the installation and initial setup don't stall. If you travel, allow the app to update regularly so you always have the latest security features and supported countries. Open the app and begin the sign-up process. Select your country and region, then follow the prompts to create your account. You may be asked to verify your phone with a one-time code and set up a passcode or biometric unlock. Keep your personal details consistent with your bank records to avoid verification issues later. If prompted for permissions like notifications or contacts, you can allow them now or manage them later in your settings. Next, add a payment method. Most people link a debit card, but availability can include bank accounts or mobile wallets depending on your region. Enter your details exactly as they appear with your bank, including your billing address. Some banks require a 3D secure check or may place a temporary authorization. That's normal and typically disappears. If your card is declined, confirm you're enabled for online and international transactions, then try again. It's optional, but recommended to verify your identity. Verification helps raise your sending limits, speeds up transfers, and keeps your account secure. You'll typically submit a clear photo of a government ID and complete a quick selfie or liveness check. Use good lighting, keep your ID edges visible, and ensure the name on your account matches your document. Now add a recipient. Choose how they'll receive funds, bank deposit, mobile wallet, or cash pickup, and enter the exact details required for their country. Double-check spelling of names, account numbers, and mobile wallet IDs to prevent delays. You can save the recipient for faster transfers next time. Before you send, review the currency, fees, and exchange rate preview shown in the app. You're all set. Consider starting with a small test transfer to confirm everything works as expected. Review the transfer summary, confirm the payment, and track progress in the app. You'll get updates when funds are sent and received. For security, never share verification code